Out of the gray, damp winter morning, a van rolls up in front of Brookside Elementary. And out of the van roll stacks of squarish gray boxes. This is Computer Van, a program offered by the Pacific Science Center to local schools. The boxes contain the parts of 15 Apple II computers, and the two guys setting them up are computer instructors. Con McQuinn and David Foss are at the school for the day to teach students how to operate computers.
I want to show you several keys. Now, who knows which, don't touch it, but who knows which key you push to make blank spaces when you're typing?
Now, most schools can't afford the tens of thousands of dollars that it would cost to get their own computers. But for only a few $100s, Con and David can teach up to 300 students in one day. Of course, in one day, they can only cover a few basics, but that's enough for the younger students' first introduction. By the way, do you know what language these computers understand?
Who remembers what the computer's language is? Raise your hand if you remember what the computer's language is. What's it called? Basic. Good.
And as students become older and more experienced, they tackle more difficult tasks.
What I'm going to show you now is how to write a program. And we do something just a little bit different when we write a program.
These students will grow up learning to live and work with computers as tools, not the mysterious wonder machines often seen in science fiction. They will learn what information must be put in and what they can expect to get out.
Push the, not reset, return. What do you see?
In coming years, we'll have to deal with computers at work, at school, shopping, even to get our news. So the ability to understand and use computers will be as important as reading or arithmetic in a world where our fingers will do the talking. The Pacific Science Center's computer van recently won a national award for innovations in teaching. The van will be traveling to several schools a week, maybe yours. And then you too can get your hands on the keys to the future.
Oh, we did it.